with Creative Life. Welcome to my crafty channel, and thank you all so much for all the love and support that you show me every single time you stop by. I really appreciate y'all taking the time out of your day to join me. So today, y'all, I have a really super cute, fun, easy, quick project for you. I got this idea from a scrapping book event that I just went to with Quick Quotes, and I think the lady's name that showed us how to do this was named Mary. Smaller. This is just one of the envelopes from, I think it's just a lunch bag envelope, y'all, or you could even use probably one of the Michaels envelopes. So this is going to be a little pocket wallet, or just something that you can put in some die cuts for maybe a crafty friend. If you're sending happy mail, this is super easy to make, and you can stuff some die cuts, maybe some embellishments, or whatever you would like to send them, some ephemera, whatever you would like, or even just a card. So first of all, what we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab one of your paper bags. Okay, now the size of this bag is going to be, it's actually 5, I guess if you want tip from the top to the bottom, it's almost 11 inches. Okay, so 5 by 11. And then you're going to need some paper. So we're going to go ahead and concentrate on making our bag first, okay? And to make this bag, you're going to go ahead and fold the bottom of the sack up, okay? You're going to go ahead and just score that down, okay, or fold it down with your fingers. You're going to go ahead and open it up, okay? And I know it's going to make a lot of noise, y'all, so I apologize for your ears. And you're going to see this folded edge right here in the middle of your bag, okay? You're going to actually pop that up. So you're going to actually fold it the other way towards you, okay? Just like that. Okay, and just going to go ahead and pop this other side and do the same thing. Just go ahead and on that crease, just pop that open towards you. Okay, and then when you have both of those folded over, see how you're going to have like this little piece right here. Now this is where the folded part goes all the way around your bag. You're going to grab that center piece right here where it kind of crosses, okay, right there, and then on the other side, and you're just going to snap that shut, so just like that, okay, and it should kind of fold, depending on how quick you do it, it should fold over, all right, and you're just going to go ahead and you're going to fold those down. Now, I don't know if mine is just giving me fits because it's an older bag or what is going on, but you just want to make sure that it's folded out just like that, okay, just like that, okay, and then fold it flat. So now you are left with something like this, and you have like a little mouth right here, okay, and then you want to go ahead and just press that down. Okay, so now you have something like this, all right? So the next step you want to do is you want to go ahead and bring this up. And I just went ahead, she had mentioned for us to bring this up towards the fold, okay? Now I left about 1/4 of an inch from the top from my bag, okay? And you want to go ahead and just score that down, okay? Now if you need a bone folder or whatever you use to just crease that a little bit more, you can definitely do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my spatula, do that, bring this down, okay, fold this back down, all right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and glue this top part down. So that's going to go like that. That's going to leave you with this little envelope part, okay, so this will fold up like this, and this is actually going to be your closure. So it's going to fold over just like that, okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some magnets. Now you can add Velcro if you want to this. I just thought magnets where it just was a little bit better, and it closes a little bit better. So you can definitely add either 2 magnets, one here on this side and one here on this side, okay, or you can just add 1 magnet, okay, right here. Alrighty, so and then don't worry about the sides. We are going to create some little hinges for this, so that way it opens up a little bit easier for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this part down. Now you can use whatever tape you want. Okay, you can use, so I just used this here, just like that. Okay, and I'm just going to glue that down. Okay, just like that. I just thought this bag was so cute when she made it. I had to share it with y'all. So after you glue this down, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut some paper, and you're going to go ahead and grab whatever paper you have you want to decorate your little wallet with. Okay, so go ahead and cut your paper. Now I'm going to leave about probably 1/8 of an inch border around my my front piece here and my back piece. Okay, for your little closure here, okay, you are going to go ahead and when we come back, I'm going to show you how to cut this out. Now if you want to, you can go ahead and do it off camera or while you're waiting. Well, I was gonna say while you're waiting for me, but I will be right back because it's a video. So so anywho, okay, and then for this top part here, for your little flap, you can go ahead and grab your paper and you can just lay that down, okay, and then trace that out and then cut it out. Or if you want, you can follow along with me when I come back. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out my papers and I inked them up with the new Distress Oxide, what is it, Kitsch Flamingo. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. It's the first time I've ever used it, and I absolutely love the pink around this paper. So, okay, so to go ahead and do the flap here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our paper, and I'm going to just cut this down just a bit real quick because I kind of want that rose on my flap. So I want to make sure that I have it just like that, okay, and I'm just going to grab my pencil and I'm just going to go ahead and trace right around. Let's see here, I can trace right around here and hopefully it comes out straight. So I'm just going to do that and then like that. Okay, so there is the flap. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use this one as a template for the other side, for the inside of the flap. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this out and I'll be back. So the next thing I want you to do is I want you to find a strip of paper in your papers you just cut. You should have one that's a little long, and it doesn't matter really the size, as long as or I should say the height of the paper. On the width, you just need it to be as long as the inside right here. Okay, so it's going to fit right inside of that flap area. Okay, and the reason why is because you just want a little bit more stability on this inner flap right here, so that way it doesn't get a lot crinkled and all that, you know. It's not flimsy, so you just want a little bit more stability on that. Okay, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue this part shut now, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue right there, right on the tip of that. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and press that down. So I'm going to go ahead and cover mine, and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and added some lace to the front and the back, and it's so pretty, you guys. I absolutely love how it is looking. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to open this up, and we're going to stick down our insert, our little accordion pieces in here. So okay, so now you're going to go ahead and you're going to move your envelope to the side, okay, and we're going to go ahead and have two pieces that are 3 by 4, okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and score a 1/2 inch on a part. So you're going to score 1/2 inches down each piece of 3 by 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stick that there just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and score at a 1/2 inch, at 1, 1.5, at 2, 2, whoops, 2.5, 3, and 3.5. Okay, and you're going to do the same for the other piece. Okay, so once you get done doing your score lines on your 3 by 4 pieces, you're going to go ahead and fold them in an accordion style. So you're going to go backwards, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, and backward, just like you're making a fan. And then you're going to go ahead and just burnish those down. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now you have something that looks like this. Okay, and you can go ahead and cut at an angle. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and cut at an angle, and what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cut the angle. See where your folds are? You're going to go ahead and cut at a diagonal. So just like, see if I can do it, just like that. Okay, so your folds are now going to have a point on them. Okay, and that's exactly what you want. Now you can go ahead and do the same thing for the top part if you want to, but you don't have to. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this one. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab your envelope, and you're going to go ahead and where your points are, okay, and the end of that flap, you're going to place your glue there. Okay, just going to place some glue right there. I probably put a little bit too much on there, but that's okay. Alrighty, and you're going to go ahead and attach that right at the bottom here. Okay, so right there. Now your envelope may be a little bit bigger than your little flap. That's okay. Okay, you don't need it to be as tall as your little flap here if you don't want it to be. Okay, but you can definitely go ahead and do that. You're going to go ahead and bring that in just like that, and there is your little wallet. Okay, now again, if you wanted to, you could definitely go ahead and cover this piece right here. Okay, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cover this piece right inside here, so I'll be right back. I'm going to cut my paper. So after you cover the inside of the envelope, lift the bottom flap and glue to the tab. So next I decided to use one of the sentiments from the collection, and I went ahead and used foam tape on the back to pop that up a little bit, and then I went ahead and just placed some flowers around my sentiment. I think this looks so pretty, y'all, with all the flowers around the little sentiment. And next I'm going to go ahead and try to find something to put on top of the little opening there, and I went ahead and grabbed some Rene Bouquet pink butterflies. Now these are the butterfly kisses, so they're really tiny. They are super cute, y'all. All right, y'all, so we finished our little envelope. Isn't that just so cute? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. And then on the inside, it's an accordion, so you could put lots of different items in here. So cute. And then on the back side, we had that beautiful paper with the lace, and then I added this beautiful little pearl embellishment. So cute. So then on the inside, like I said, I was going to go ahead and just put some of my ephemera. So I have some tags here that I had printed out, and then I have some other little ephemera that I had gotten from this paper collection, and all of that would just fit right in there. So you could keep all of your ephemera in there, or gift it to somebody, or send some dies. There's lots of things you can stick in here. You could also just put this in your glove box with money in it or keep it in your car with your insurance papers or something. It looks really pretty, and so how nice is that? So the one that we did for the crafting event that I went to looks like this, okay? And then that's the inside. So there you go. So there we have two different little envelopes for keeping our items in. And so I hope that you guys found this tutorial inspirational. It's a quick and easy way to make something really cute for a crafty friend or for yourself, and keep all of your items inside.
We love it. Thanks.
And so thank you all so much for joining me today. Don't forget that down in the left hand corner I have a fun little crafty video for you, and you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for future videos and events. Thanks so much, y'all. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.